right, then you won't get anything. You won't get a family at all. So I'm going to load in my balustrade, and I've put this into the, I think in the same folder as the videos, or did I put it in the same folder as the brief? The balustrade or the balcony, or in Revit you'd call it a railing. Yeah, I think I put it in with the brief. So in the first year briefs folder, in the beach house folder, yes, I call it beach house balustrade. Okay, so this is the thing you need to remember. When you want something that's a system family, you don't load it, you open the file. So on the main menu, go to open, and then you need to browse and find that file. So on the P drive, just remember it's in the same folder as the briefs, not in the library, but on my computer it's somewhere else again, and I'll just need to browse and find that. So there it is. Beach House Balustrade is what it's called. So this is a special railing I made for you just for this project, which has the timber slats, the cedar, I'd assume, slats. So to use that now in the beach house file, I just need to select it, Control C on the keyboard, then Control Tab, should switch back to the view I just had open, and now Control V will let me paste it. So those are the three things, three shortcuts to remember, and it'll make your life much easier when you go to bring in these family types. So there's my new railing. It's not the shape I want, but that doesn't matter. I'm going to delete it anyway. Back in my plan. It's a bit difficult to see there where the balustrade should go. You can tell, but it's easier if I go to a hidden line view. Now it's much, much clearer, and I'm going to then just click on the railing button on the home tab, and I'll start by drawing a line. Now here I'm going to cheat a bit. I'm going to just set this in from the edge. So I'm going to bring it across, and then let's have a look at the set out there. So it's 60 mil from the edge of my deck. So I'm going to use pick lines now to make my other edges. So just by typing an offset value in there, 60 mil, I can then choose the edge of my floor on all three sides of this floor. There we go. And then just to finish that off, I need to use trim. And now I can choose my new railing type, which is here called Parapetto 25. Don't know why I left it with that name, but that's okay. So tick to finish. In the 3D view, you can see now we've got a railing that's basically right, except that the balusters are on the wrong side. So I'm going to use the flip direction tool, and you can see now that's changed the orientation so that now the balusters are on the outside. So that's exactly how it should be, and the posts are on the inside. And so it'll be the same on the next level. Okay, so level 1 here. Okay, so back to railing. This time I know the offset distance there with pick lines is just going to be 60 mil and then I can just pick the edges of my, well, it's the roof in this case, and then I'll bring the edge of this railing back to the wall, tick to finish. In a 3D view now, I'll check. Ah, and I forgot to change mine, but that's not a problem. I can just go now to Parapet 25, and so that one is facing the right way. Okay, so there I can see the railings are pretty good, and so just while I'm at it, I might now do a perspective view on the ground floor level using a camera, and I'm going to just place that maybe over here near the entry, looking towards the kitchen, so I can pick up all that work I've just done there and some of the railing as well. And there we go, so starting to get something that looks like a complete space. Okay, you can always stretch that out if you want to see a bit more. Okay, so there we go. So that's all I'll do for the railings, and the bathrooms, hopefully I'll get time today, but otherwise I'll do them next week.